Hello guys, today we are playing this tornado squid.
Hello guys. What's up?
Ano ka mo rin?
My name is Aaron. Tawagin niyo na lang akong Makin.
Okay. This is my cousin little brother. Let's go.
Let's go guys. Bye-bye. Pupunta muna kami dun sa may pupunta namin. Tornado.
Wait, let's check. Wait.
Tornado.
Where's the tornado? There's a
Tornado bro.
There's a. Oh my god!
Yeah. Naman na tayo.
Oh god, okay. Dito tayo daan. I see it.
Wala, andyan na yung tornado.
Nakita mo, wala akong dito.
Dito. Wala, tatlong tornado.
Oh god. Oh, what the?
Udo, hindi ba yung one? Uy, tara na tayo.
Wait lang. I'm trying to get fast as I can. I'm trying. I'm
Guys,
going.
pupunta na kami sa tornado. Ano yung tornado tayo?
Trying to go. It won't go.
Bro, malapit na tayo sa tornado. Andiyan na yung tornado. Ayun o.
Where? There's another tornado over there. We should get that.
Bro!
Because it's a EF1. Malakas to. Malakas na to. Let's go.
Bro,
Yeah.
let's go.
Dito muna tayo. Dito tayo na. Dadaan dito. Bali. Oh god. Oh god, it won't move. Oh, there we go. We got stuck. Okay, deploy na tayo dito. Oh god, yan na.
Hala,
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I'm so lag, man. Guys, I'm so lag. Even though I'm moving fast as I can. Oh god. Yes, now more.
Tornado, bro.
What the? Nice.
Uy, tignan mo, nandito na yung tornado. Malapit na sa akin.
What the?
Udo.
Wait lang, alis muna tayo sa kotse. Let's get out the car.
Rugi kasi.
Ang lag. Wait lang, let me fix my settings. I need to fix my settings. Physics on, games on, high clouds. I think it's good now. I think it's good.
Bro, laki.
Wow.
La.
What's this?
No, malapit
Oh,
na.
yeah. That's a EF1.
Wala.
I was chasing the wrong storm, by the way. Wrong storm. Stormweaver, please, come on. No, I hate when I'm trying to spawn a vehicle, but it's won't. Oh my god. This game is so buggy sometimes. I know. Okay. It won't move. Oh god. Ang lag. Okay, ang lag. Yeah, ang lag. It's not my fault. It's the internet's
Yung
fault.
tornado sobrang laki.
Gumagalaw? Oh shoot, we're gonna get listed. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Bro!
Oh god. Oh god. Dito na tayo. Deployed na tayo dito. Deploy. Come on. Okay. Gumagalaw ang tornado. Check mo, likod mo.
Gumagalaw.
Okay. Okay na. Na-deploy na ako.
Uy, Kogi!
Oh god. Oh, this tornado.
Oh, di nila alunin.
Oh.
Hello guys, hindi kami inalon. Ang galing namin guys.
Hindi tayo lilipad.
Uy, tingin. Gagawa picture ako.
Bibideo kami. Bibideo. Okay? Kim?
Huwag tayo may ngayon.
Okay, what's up?
Guys.
Okay.
Guys, hindi kami inalo ng Tornado. Shish. Ganito na.
Akala mo, hindi tayo, maybe next time, there's something fun. Comment natin na, just fun to me. Okay, let's go. Oh god. I crashed. I don't even go.
Bro!
Pagas muna! Pagas muna ako! That is just new money. Where's the tornado, man? Wala na mga tornado. Okay, hintayin din natin ang next tornado. 4%? Wow. Hello, Terrence. Okay, it's gonna be nothing. So this is okay guys, this is the end. Oh, bye. Like and subscribe
Hey,
for me
what's up, bro?
for more videos like this. And okay, bye.
Bye-bye, guys.